Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's House of Aduke. Join me as I unpack this package I got off SHEIN. This is just a short video of how I unpack my package from SHEIN. I actually placed this order a few weeks ago off SHEIN. In there I got a winter boot for myself, an elastic band, T-pins, a phone pouch, multicolored chalks, a slippers, a mini microphone, and just little things I need, few personal things I needed. So enjoy as you watch me unpack this little package. Please do want to like, subscribe, comment, and share out to family and friends. Thank you.